Um, Hello. This is a very interesting start for this video, am I right? Yes, I am right. Oh my gosh. Oh. I have not gotten a black lung in so long from Forgotten Desert. This is my third one from it. Or fourth, I do not remember. Also, here's some of my new art that I did. It's not very good because I'm not good at phantoms. Also, amazing art by amazing artist. Oh my gosh. I want to make a look right now. Oh my gosh. I am so happy. I have not gotten a black long in so long. Oh my gosh. Those feet. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, yep, we're closed. I can't believe it. I would. No, I forgot to take a screenshot. Are you joking me? Okay, now we're gonna make a bird look with it. My heart is beating so fast right now. I might not be like reacting as most people would, but I am freaking out right now. I'm like, ah. Oh my god. I am weird, but I am also excited. I do not make good looks. No, let's make a fancy look. Oh my god. Nah. Well, I would use a black sword, but I don't have any. Sorry, I need to make it perfect. Okay. Since I'm gonna add that to make it kind of match. Oh my gosh, black one. My gosh, black one. Also, I love this artist. Why am I being so random? Probably because this video is gonna be random. Oh my gosh. I was not expecting a black long. I mean, today was so boring that I was like, I don't think I'm gonna get one. Yeah, I don't even know why I'm playing on the Elmdrin, because I have, like, math to do. I was just playing on it, I was like, I wonder what I will get. Nice list, by the way. Oh my gosh. I'm actually not really excited anymore. Like, I am, but at the same time, I'm just like, I've gotten one before. So. I love Elm Dream again. I was like getting really bored, but then like, now I love it. Only when it gives me rares. Whoa. Aw. Whoa. What? Who's in my den? Hey. Hey. Just like, hey. I am really memorized. I need to put this on my wall. Yes. Don't ask if my black law is betrayed, because I literally just got it. Sadly, I do not. Sorry. Sadly, I do not. Sadly, I do not. When I actually do. Right there. And I traded black short for it. I'm just. Sadly, I do not. I literally don't. Lying. I thought you said non-member. I'm lying. Why? I'm a liar now. My bat. 11%. Okay. Oh, here's some new art that I'm not proud of. Like, this horse is ugly. Okay. Guys, now I'm gonna be a rare snob because I got a black. Oh. Shooken. Because I got a black long. Please don't hack me now. Don't hack me now. Yeah. 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 Okay. Oh. I guess before I end the video. Okay, so I guess before I end this video. Wait, I'm gonna pause and I'll be on Timberberry because I don't want to show my password. Oops. Sorry, my battery is like running low. Okay, really quick. Okay, so now I'm on Timberberry. And today's giveaway will be, I think, will be, okay. It's gonna be art, so if you're not looking for this, where is it? Okay, there. I tried my best, so don't judge. So if anyone wants this art right here, comment your username down below. You actually don't have to subscribe because honestly I don't care about that kind of stuff. So just comment down your user below and why you would like it and how you found my video. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Make sure to once again comment down below your username on AMJam and your status of being member or non-member. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.